So in this next video, we're going to be showing you our clean and care range. We're going to be focusing on our natural cleansing lotion. So I'm going to show you how quickly and effectively the natural cleansing lotion breaks down makeup. First, I've just placed the natural cleansing lotion onto my cleansing pad, and then I'm just going to press and hold the lotion over the eye and just let it to start to sink in to the makeup. Now, what's really nice about the cleansing lotion is it contains jojoba oils, which keeps moisture locked into the skin, so the skin is kept feeling hydrated and nourished during the removal. It also has extracts of the cold pressed macadamia oils, which creates a really velvety, soft finish to the skin. So you don't end up having any dehydration or the feeling of dryness or irritation after removal. Your skin feels really nice and soft and hydrated. You can see how quickly it removes the eye makeup there. What I really like about the Clean and Care Natural Cleansing Lotion is that it's non-greasy. So a lot of cleansing lotions can leave like a film on the layer of the skin. If you was to touch the skin now, it's really not greasy at all. It feels like a nice balm, like a moisturizer, and that's really rehydrating the skin at the same time as removing the makeup. Now, a second way of application, especially when you're working on yourself, you can now just place onto the skin and really let the lotion kind of sink down into the makeup and start to ease it away from the pores. The cleansing lotion really gives you a real deep pore cleanse. So it's a really, really effective makeup remover while still acting like a skincare with all of them beautiful active ingredients like the jojoba oil and the cold pressed macadamia. You just leave that on for a few seconds and then you'll effectively see here how very quick and easy it then is to remove that makeup back to your bare skin. And the whole time during this makeup removal process, the skin is being treated, it's being hydrated and nourished by them active ingredients. You see it's just one swipe across the skin every time and it's just removing all of the makeup. It's a vegan-based formula, so it's also vegan-friendly as well. And as I said, really nice for sensitive skins because you don't need to actually scrub the skin. You just let the lotion break down the makeup and then simply gently wipe away with a cotton pad. And you'll effectively see how quick you can then remove a lip makeup as well. I'm now just going to use a small amount of the cleansing lotion on a cotton bud, and I'm just going to use that nice and close to the lash line just to help lift that eyeliner there. This is HD cream liner that was used in the makeup here, so this is completely water resistant and transfer proof eyeliner. Generally can be quite difficult to remove, but as you can see, it's just breaking it down instantly. So now you can see the direct comparison. The skin isn't displaying any signs of redness, it's not irritated, it's still nice and soft and supple because it's been hydrated. So I'm now just massaging into the other side of the face. So you'll see here, just with one swipe, just removing the complete makeup from that area is now completely clean of product, which is why it's a much more enjoyable experience with makeup removal. And you'll see that the majority of the makeup is removed within the first swipe. Likewise, I'm just going to work this along the top lash line. So if you was removing your makeup to apply a new look, then it's advisable just to use a little bit of the Clean and Care Natural Micellar Water. This is just going to remove any residue from the lotion from the surface of the skin. Otherwise that could actually start to break down any makeup that you're going to apply after. And the Natural Micellar Water has that micellar technology, which is pulling any excess oils or impurity out from the bottom of the pore. So it gives it a nice deep cleanse finish to your removal as well. So the result is the skin is left feeling fresh, hydrated, clean and ready to go. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you've got any questions about the range, please feel free to put them in the comment section. If not, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.